Do you know how to merge multiple pages into one? Today, I'll show you how to merge multiple PDF pages into one on your computer and phone for free. Here are 4 solutions for you in this video. First, open the PDF on your phone using Google Drive. Then, click here to choose the print function. Here, select the layout settings. Click to select how many pages you want per sheet. After selecting, you'll see a preview below. You can also set the layout direction and the border for each page. There's also an option to flip horizontally. Finally, select the page range to export. Click the Share button instead of Print. Select Google Drive. Then upload the PDF to your Google Drive. The merged PDF will be saved there. That's how you merge PDF pages into one on your phone. You can also merge pages into one on your PC for free. Open the PDF in Chrome and click Print. Expand the More Settings option. Select the layout here to merge the pages. Chrome will automatically arrange the pages you select. Click Print, and let's view the merged PDF. The merged PDF may need to be rotated for easier reading. Use this Rotate button to adjust the orientation. That's how to merge PDF pages into one using Chrome. Edge also lets you merge PDF pages easily. Open the PDF in the Edge browser. Click the Print button. The process is the same as in Chrome. Go to More Settings. Choose the layout here. Preview the new file here. Select the printer. Set the page range. Then click Print. This is the new PDF we just merged. That is how to merge multiple PDF pages into one for free. You can also merge pages with Acrobat Reader for free. The print function can help you merge the pages in the PDF into one. We can merge pages by adjusting settings in this print screen. We'll use the page setup functions for printing. Click the Print button and select the multiple option to merge pages. Choose how many pages per sheet you want. If you select the preset number, Acrobat will automatically place these pages with the right layout. You can also customize the number of pages and layout. Select the Custom option first. Enter the number of pages per row and per column. This lets you arrange the pages as you want. After entering the values, click Elsewhere to apply them. If you don't like the layout, you can switch to Landscape. Acrobat also lets you adjust the page order. Select this option to reverse the horizontal order. You can also arrange the pages vertically in order, or arrange them in reverse vertically. You can preview the merged file here. Acrobat also lets you add borders to the pages. Check this box to enable the page borders. You'll then see the pages with borders. These are the settings to select the page range to print. Enter the page range in the box. Once everything is set, make sure to select a virtual printer. For example, I use the Microsoft Virtual Printer. Then click Print to export the new PDF. Enter the file name and save it. Wait a moment. Here is the new PDF with multiple pages merged into one. The order is arranged according to our settings. But what if you want to reorder or delete pages before merging? Go back to the original PDF and organize the pages first. The Organize Pages function in Acrobat can help, but it's a paid feature. Here's a free solution to rearrange pages in PDF files. Open the PDF with PDF Gear. Go to the Page tab to organize pages. For more detailed instructions on this, check out our previous videos. After rearranging the pages, you can merge them in Acrobat Reader for free. To download PDF Gear, search for PDF Gear in your browser. Go to the official website to download and install it on your device. And you can use PDF Gear for free. Follow this channel for more PDF tips. See you in the next video.